You manage a report featuring a card visual. You need to implement conditional formatting on the card while keeping the design effort to a minimum. If the displayed value is 100 or greater, the data label font must change to dark red. If the displayed value is under 100, the data label font must change to dark gray. Which formatting method should you select? Option A, color scale. Option B, rules. Option C, field value.
This question focuses on how we apply conditional formatting to visuals in reporting tools like Power BI, specifically when we need to change visual elements based on specific numeric thresholds. The goal is to achieve this with the least amount of effort, while satisfying precise color change rules for values above and below a certain threshold.
In my view, the correct answer is option B, rules. To apply conditional formatting based on specific value thresholds, like greater than or equal to 100 or less than 100, rules are the ideal choice. They let us define exact conditions and assign specific colors to discrete ranges without writing complex DAX measures. Option A, color scale, is incorrect because it is designed for continuous gradients across numerical ranges rather than distinct threshold-based styling. Option C, field value, is incorrect because it requires creating a separate DAX measure that returns color names or hex codes, which involves significantly more design effort than the built-in rules interface.